हेलो बच्चों, चलो शुरू करते हैं। ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल। से पहले ये है हमारे कलर। ये है कलर। कौन सा कलर है? ये है ग्रीन कलर। ग्रीन कलर। ये है ग्रीन कलर। ये है रेड कलर। कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? ये है रेड कलर। ये है रेड कलर। ये है रेड कलर। ये है ब्लू कलर। कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? ये है ब्लू कलर। ब्लू कलर। ये है मैजेंटा कलर। कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? ये है मैजेंटा कलर। मैजेंटा कलर। ये है येलो कलर। येलो कलर। ये है येलो कलर। ये है ऑरेंज कलर। कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? ये है ऑरेंज कलर। अब शुरू करते हैं ए बी सी डी। ग्रीन कलर ए फॉर ant, A for aeroplane, A for ant, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for banana, B for ball, B for banana. B for ball, B for banana. C for car, C for cat, C for car, C for cat. C for car, C for cat. D for dog, D for doll, D for dog, D for doll. Red color E for elephant, E for egg, E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for frog, F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for giraffe, G for goat, G for giraffe. Blue color H for hen, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for aglo. J for joker, J for joker, J for jug. K for kite, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lemon. L for lion, L for lemon. M for mango, M for monkey. M for mango, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nose. N for nest, N for nose. O for orange, O for owl. O for orange, O for owl. P for peacock, P for parrot. P for peacock, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for quilt. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for rose, R for rabbit. R for rose, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for snake. S for sun, S for snake. T for tiger, T for tomato. T for tiger, T for tomato. U for umbrella, U for uniform. U for umbrella, U for uniform. V for violin, V for van. V for violin, V for van. W for watch, W for window. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yarn. Y for yak, Y for yarn. Z for zebra, Z for zip. Z for zebra, Z for zip.